Hi guys, it's me here, Elizabeth here, and today I'm gonna make spaghetti peanut butter with peanut butter. So I'm gonna show you the recipes we need. So hope you enjoy this video and like and subscribe. First we need to heat the pan because then we can add the oil. Okay, it's already heated. Now we have to add the oil, ginger and garlic. I'll do it with my left hand because I'm a lefty, so I'm gonna try to do it with my right hand. Fry it till brown. So it's fully done. Now we're gonna add 100-watt hot water, I guess. Okay, I do not like that. Where's the, okay, you know, I'm just putting it over here. So it's so hard to get out it. Oh my God, why can't I just not do it that spoon? Can you please don't get stick? Thank you, but please don't get stick. Oh, that. Honey, healthy honey. Honey is healthy, guys. I'm telling you. I love honey, but it just tastes weird, I guess. I don't really eat it or drink it, I guess. Do we drink it or eat it? Both, I guess. Now we're gonna add this. I don't need a spoon for this, right? What's this? Sesame seed. Oh, look at it. Look at it. It's like really good. Mix it well. I wanna.
No, you can.
Oh man. I wanna mix it. A little bit of a black pepper. I love salt and black pepper with egg. In Lahore, like I eat egg so much and I loved egg. Especially milk and egg. Spaghetti time, guys. We're gonna add some spaghetti up. When we finish it and toss it, I will be back. Bye-bye, see you there. After mixing it well, my mom garnished it parsley. And look how it is. Look, we are not going to mix it. We're not going to mix these. For decoration, I guess, or something for just like a good, whatever it calls.